Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, and we're gonna start with the slaw.
All right.
So the first thing we do is in a large bowl, we are going to put in a bag of red cabbage. So the next thing we do is we add 1/4 cup mayonnaise. So the next thing you do for the slaw is you put in a tablespoon of the hot sauce.
Sriracha.
Which will give it a tiny bit of a kick without kicking too much. So the next thing is we're going to add lime juice. So for the slaw, you put in 2 tablespoons of lime juice.
I like my
Oops.
lime juice.
1. That
Yeah.
squirted just a tiny cup. These squeeze bottles.
It's all good.
2. Okay. And then you mix it all together. And this is your slaw for the tacos. Okay, so next we're going to do the marinade for the shrimp. So we want to add 1/4 cup olive oil. And next we want to do 3 tablespoons of cilantro. So 1, I think you're gonna have just enough.
Just enough.
2, maybe it'd be a heavy 3rd cup. 3rd tablespoon. 3. And then we do 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And there you have your marinade for your shrimp. So you want your shrimp to be in the marinade for 20 minutes. So next, you want to add your thawed shrimp into your marinade. And this is actually deveined and tailless. And you just mix it up, and then you want to let it sit for 20 minutes. And then you can grill it after it has marinated for 20.
So we have tortillas and we have marinated shrimp. So we're gonna get this stuff cooking on the grill like lickety split here. All right, so let's get this stuff cooking. Now these are gonna be like 3 minutes aside. So I'm gonna go kind of fast because this grill is, well, this grill's freaking hot. I'm gonna start the clock and I'll be back in a couple to check on them. All right, the next step is to flip the shrimp over. We're just gonna flip them all over. Just like so, get them all flipped. And then we're gonna do 8 tortilla shells on here. These are 1 minute aside. I'm only gonna fit 6 at a time, so we're gonna do 6. A little change of plans. Just 1 minute, so really fast. All right, with that, now we're gonna flip them over. See, they're getting all poofy. see, get 2 more on here. All right, everything's cooked up. Got the shrimp, got taco shells all ready to go. And we're gonna bring it all in the house right now. All right, so there's still some assembly required right here. So we have the shrimp and tongs and the slaw and the shells. And you basically combine them, which is pretty easy, I would say.
All right, so this,
Grab some slaw, grab some shrimp.
yep. And it looks good.
They're slippery little buggers.
Just add a little slaw.
It's purple.
Purple, yeah, it's purple. It's red cabbage, which is actually what they recommend. Okay, so
Cheers.
cheers.
All right, let's do this. Mmm. It's so good. Mm-hmm.